Now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Yeah, there certainly are a lot of activities this weekend, and if it is in tune with Winterfest, well, we are going to be seeing some snow in the mountains. Down at lower elevations, I think we'll see more of a cold rain and a wintry mix. So be mindful of that. Keep the rain gear handy. Here's a look live from the Old Mill District, and you can see a bit of a breeze there and a couple of interesting cloud formations off in the distance, the lenticular clouds. But overall, this is what we're tracking for you. Mountain snow is likely over the next few days, actually, all the way through until at least Monday or maybe even into Tuesday. During that time, we'll have high desert rain, but overnight it may mingle with a little bit of snow, but generally it'll be mostly rain. And more mountain snow is possible on our Monday. So as we look forward to what's occurring, we do see the roadways, although volume traffic in Redmond's pretty high, everybody else is pretty smooth, and there's also no precipitation falling just yet, but that's going to be changing. Future track winds, not all that noticeable. We're noticing that they are tomorrow morning and into the afternoon hours will be generally in the single digits. Here it is in the morning time frame. Let's get into that afternoon. Don't really ramp up all that much with 10 miles an hour in Madras and 11 from Sun River. And they're coming from varying different directions. So we'll be seeing that rain shower activity off and on, and it will be fairly stagnant through the area. All right, here's the satellite and radar imagery. A atmospheric river, a small one, is moving the moisture into the valley and up in through the Cascades, kind of getting stalled out at the Cascades right now. We do still see a little bit of light rain making it to the ground there east of Jefferson County, and then here around Mount Jefferson seeing some light snow, but generally we're still waiting on that snow to begin, and that more than likely will start right at about 11 o'clock or so in the area. And then we'll have this rain and snow mix on Saturday, mostly rain. It does feel that because the flow of air is coming up from the southwest, we'll have that opportunity for more rain than snow. At 4 o'clock, we see a line of showers mainly to the north, still a little bit of mountain snow. But again, as we get to the 8 o'clock time frame, a lot of this is moving up to the north. That's our break in the action on Sunday. Then we have this low moving closer to the coast and then bringing up some more wintry weather late Sunday. And another system, it's kind of complex. Another system is coming in from the Gulf of Alaska, and that's the one that will give us the snow on our Monday. So how much are we anticipating? Well, with the first batch, by the time we get to tomorrow night, be about 2 inches at Mount Bachelor. All this will be a non-accumulating snow down at 97. It'll be mixed with the rain. Then as we get into our Monday, by the time all is said and done Monday, we'll have about 7 inches at Mount Bachelor and nearly a foot at Santiam Pass. Let's take a look at some numbers. 45 in Sun River right now, 52 in Bend, so it's kind of a mild time right now. We have the lows tonight in the 20s and 30s, and then the highs tomorrow get us into the 40s across the region. So as we push it out and extend it to our future track 7-day, we have a 43 on Monday with that mix to snow late in the day, and then we have some passing showers on Tuesday, and again a few flakes on Friday.